Yego.
So it's Felis. Yeah.
Uzaze ejo nasohotse. Ariko
So Felis is 11 and you're in P3.
Yeah.
What's the mother's name?
Rosette.
Rosette. Ah. So what does Rosette do for a living?
Ukora iki? Nakazi mfite. Mubaho gute se? Mubaho gute? Akazi nari gafite karahagarara. Wakoraga iki? Nakoraga muri library. She has been working in a library, but now she has stopped working.
Okay. So she's looking for a job now. Okay.
Kagaze ryari? Shize umwaka. None se kuva hagati aho ngaho nta kindi kintu ukora? Mukabaho gute? Gute se? Yeah. Sobanurira.
What she said?
I was asking how long has stopped from work?
Yeah.
I said it's a year.
A year, a long time.
A long time. Then I asked her how is she living? What is she doing to survive?
Yeah. What's she doing?
She's saying nothing. Mugi. Mama ajya kura he amafaranga yo kugura ibiryo.
Afite inzu. Aya nawe yo mama amafaranga araza.
Nakabigura. Nta kindi kintu ukora?
Ariko ndabona arwaye. Komeje kujya ndwara igifu. Nza no kujya no mu bitaro.
Iyi nzu ni yanyu?
So how does Felis cope with school and eating?
They said they have a small house and they are renting.
Oh, they own the house?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So they get some money from that.
They rent their own house, then they rent this one and remain with some little money to buy the food.
Okay. Ah, so she's a businesswoman.
Aravuze ngo uzi ubwenge ko ukodesha akazu kawe noneho nawe ukakodesha akangaka kuri make ukabona yo kurya.
How is he doing in school, Felis? How are you doing in school?
Felis, amasomo aragenda?
Agenda neza. Agenda neza.
He's doing well. Wowe wakangaye hano?
Aje mama.
Kuhatsinda.
So what does he want to do when he grows up?
Komeje kujya arwara.
Ushaka kuzaba iki nurangiza kwiga?
Akina umupira.
Football.
Footballer. Like Drogba. Yeah.
Drogba uramuzi? Ushaka